Family of Mumbai narco chief Sameer Wankhede have taken their war against NCP Minister Nawab Malik to Republican Party of India chief Ramdas Athavale, also a minister in the Modi government. The family has released an affidavit by deceased mother of Sameer Wankhede, Zahida Wankhede, revealing that she had converted to Hinduism after marrying Sameer Wankhede's father, Dhyandev. After meeting, the Wankhede family pled support by asserting that Sameer Wankhede is a Dalit who is being harassed by Nawab Malik. Nawab Malik had earlier released the Nikahnaama of Sameer Wankhede with his first wife and claimed that he was a Muslim. Malik also slammed the union minister, claiming that he is standing behind a person who is deprived of the rights of a Dalit person. Sameer Wankhede had earlier moved the Backward Class Commission, claiming witch hunt against him. His wife had written a letter to Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray earlier seeking justice.
मैं अपनी बात पे कायम हूं कि वे एससी के सर्टिफिकेट पे फर्जीवाड़ा करके उस पद पे बैठे हैं। एक गरीब शेड्यूल कास्ट का अधिकार उन्होंने छीना है। मैं धर्म की जाति की लड़ाई नहीं लड़ रहा हूं। मैं जो उन्होंने फर्जीवाड़ा किया, दलितों के अधिकार को छीना, वो लड़ाई है।
समीर वानखेड़े एनसीबी के जो डायरेक्टर है, अधिकारी है, उनके ऊपर जानबूझकर हमले किए जा रहे हैं। और ज्ञानेश्वर वानखेड़े ने मुझे पूरे पेपर दिखाए हैं और उन्होंने बताया है कि भाई उनके जो बीबी है वो मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी के है, हमने शादी सहमति से की है और मैं मतलब बाबा साहब का अनुयायी हूँ। मेरे रिकॉर्ड में हिंदू महार का रिकॉर्ड उन्होंने मुझे दिखाया है। बाबा साहब ने दिया हुआ रिजर्वेशन के माध्यम से मतलब IRS में मतलब समीर वानखेड़े सफल हुए।
ये विषय जब हमने उनके सामने रखा, उनके सामने सारे हमने पुरावे रखे, जो भी प्रूफ है हमारे पास वो उनके सामने रखे। सब सबूत देखने के बाद उनको ये विश्वास हो गया कि हाँ ये लोग सच बोल रहे हैं। और नवाब जी रोज आप जो बोलिए मालदीव्स का आरोप बोलिए, पैसे लेने का आरोप बोलिए, ये पैसे की सेटिंग दुबई में हुई, इसके उसके सारे आरोप आज तक कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट से लेके मैरिज सर्टिफिकेट से लेके हर एक आरोप उनका झूठा साबित हुआ है।
आपको जो भी कहना है आप सीधा न्यायालय में, माननीय न्यायालय में जा सकते हैं। खाली आपके जवाई को, जो समीर खान उनका नाम है, उनको अरेस्ट किया एनसीबी मेरे बेटे ने, इसीलिए वो हमारे ऊपर, मेरे बेटे के, मेरे बेटी के, मेरे बहू के और मेरे ऊपर जो आरोप लगा रहे, ये जाति का, ये मैं कभी भी धर्मांतर नहीं किया, ना मेरे बेटे ने किया। ये सब नवाब मलिक जी के आरोप झूठे हैं।
Pankaj is now joining us live for the very latest. Pankaj, just to put this into context and perspective for our viewers as well, this is not, I mean, as bad as it sounds that, you know, one has to debate about caste or religion in this country. The fact of the matter is that there are certain special rights given to certain classes, which is the OBC classes. Has Sameer Wankhede taken the advantage of that forcefully to end up getting the position that he has, as it is being claimed by Nawab Malik and gang?
Chaiti, today was, first of all, let me tell you what has happened is, Ms. Redkar, that is wife of Sameer Wankhede, and her father-in-law, Dhyanand Kachuruji Wankhede, today met Union Minister and RPI leader Ramdas Athavale. I asked them what was the reason for her. First, that she wrote a letter to the Chief Minister seeking support, and then she met BJP leader Kirit Somaiya as well, and now that she's meeting RPI leader as well. She says it's a fight for justice and that they were not getting any support from any quarter, and that is the reason why, with all the documents as well, she met RPI leader, and the RPI leader and Union Minister Ramdas Athavale saw the documents as well and realized that the documents were true, and therefore has given his backing today. She says she will not comment anything on the allegations of Nawab Malik, because Nawab Malik even today continued with his barrage of accusations, and he went on to the extent of saying that attempts were made to silence him as well, but he said that he stands his ground, he stands by the allegations that he's made, and that he again reiterated that he's not talking about caste and religion, but he is talking about the fraud that Sameer Wankhede has committed. This very question I asked to Sameer Wankhede's father, that this is the biggest allegation that is being leveled from day one, that caste certificate was misused by Sameer Wankhede, to which his father said that this is a baseless allegation, and he says that he's got a series of certificates with him to show, which he has shown to Union Minister as well, which completely nail the lie of Nawab Malik, and that he has committed no fraud. Sameer Wankhede is a Dalit, belongs to the Mahar community. He deserves that quota, he deserves that right, and he rightly used it as well. So the barrage of acquisitions and counter acquisitions continue today as well. And interestingly, when I asked Kirti Redkar as to whether the resolve of Sameer Wankhede will continue even after what the family has gone, she said it will continue no matter what. Her husband's fight is against drugs and it will continue, and that they are seeking justice. Furthermore, she added that yes, and accepted as well that she has written a letter to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, and if at all she gets a call from the Chief Minister, she will be meeting Uddhav Thackeray as well.
All right, leave it at that.